86 meetings to close my first $1.5 million in venture capital, right? I had 86 no's before I got to a yes. I pitched literally everybody in Ohio. So perseverance pays. Eventually it did pay. It's important to remember that sometimes when you're building businesses, what you're working through isn't something you're always proud of. I was not proud of anything that I was putting into market until 2019. And that's important to remember as you're starting to work through solutions to your problem, because you might think to yourself, oh, it's not good enough. Oh, I'm still in college, I can't start working on this idea. Move that out of your brain. And remember, it took 3 years to launch something that I was proud of.